Dancehall recording artist Silk Boss physically assaulted and the act videotape. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So there have been a video circulating online in recent days of the dancehall entertainer Silk Boss himself being physically assaulted with what appears to be a hold-up with him and two individuals that was seen in a video. The individual's face were actually masked with shirt, which depicts that they are actually carrying out an act of vengeance against the dancehall entertainer. But the dancehall entertainer took to a social media platform in order to clear the air, in order to shed some light about what really transpired.
More hear first. Like, people are spread rumors say Joshy them box you up. Whose friend box you up? Joshy or your friend them?
And my friend them want me a par with, bro.
Oh, so that means say it not have nothing to do with Joshy then?
No, Joshy not have nothing to do with this, bro. Anybody call Joshy name a wicked brother.
Oh.
You see, free Joshy not have nothing to do this, bro. Anybody call Joshy name right now a wicked, bro. Not true, me and him in a clash, bro. Meaning say, me they go come and some paint that image. Joshy not have nothing to do with this, brother.
Yeah. I don't know. Me as a person, you know, remember say, me have for sure know say this not have nothing to do with the clash. Cause
no man, this not have nothing to do with the clash. And my friend them want me a par with. My own friend them want me a par with. The same man them want me feed and clothes. The whole of them and them.
Get bad mind for your things.
And them same one get bad mind, bro. Till all right now, it's hard for me even believe. Cause me I wonder where it come from. Cause me deal with every man good. So me I wonder where all of this a transpire from. And nobody can even come call me out of my house. Now one reason why me even reach this side, brother. You see, pray dog, and because me they go buy my car, bro. I see two them know say me I go buy my car, bro. Them plan it. Say alright. When artists come with the money to buy the car, they go take it from.
So them take it?
I mean, I hold my money them take, brother, to buy me car.
How much money that?
Bro, skull them take a 1 point something million them take, dog.
Jano.
1.4 mil. You see, free
say, at no point you try retaliate when them do that?
What you mean? As in retaliate?
Like try fight back in at the moment.
Yeah, but them stick me up with gun and them things there, so me have to tap. Me no want that. If me continue fight them, I know who they start talk to me right now.
Well, all I can say is not a good look for the dancehall entertainer who has been steadily rising in the dancehall music space and creating a name for himself. In the video that is surfaced online, I can tell that the video depicts some real violent acts taking place against a dancehall entertainer, and we're not sure whether or not this was the video in its entirety or whether or not he was physically assaulted before the act was actually videotaped. But all I can say is it's a very sad thing to have watched the video to see that this is an upcoming dancehall entertainer and these are the things that he have to endure. However, I must say that I feel very bad for him knowing that this video is out there right now and you're not knowing what other entertainers might do and actually play on his feelings with what transpired in the video itself. In one part of the clip, you could hear the dancehall entertainer begging the individuals in order to stop as they inflict several blows to the face of the entertainer. So this video now has gone viral online and there have been numerous speculation going on online as it relates to where this might be coming from, including one point Josh's name was actually called in the incident. However, Josh's name was cleared from the incident itself and Josh had nothing to do with what transpired here, so we just want to make that extremely clear. However, the dancehall entertainer took to a social media platform in order to clear the air about the whole entire situation that took place, and he actually stated that he was actually robbed of some money, to be exact $1.4 million that he had gone to the area which is Gulf in Portmore in order to purchase a motor car. So these individuals that are seen in the music video is no stranger to Silk Boss. These are individuals that would have been around him, individuals that he classified as his friends. Now, to make it point blank to you, Silk Boss, these individuals weren't your friend, they will never be your friend, and you have to look on the type of life that you're living. This situation could have gone far worse with what transpired here. You could have lost your life based on what we have seen here. In his video that was posted to social media, he states that the individual had guns drawn on him as he was severely beaten by these individuals. So before I even get into anything else, I just want to say this to the artists. If you're doing music, you're doing music, boss man. If you're doing badness, you're doing badness. You can't try to mix the two together, because when that happens, you're going to end up with some real serious consequence to deal with. And it just goes to show you that these individuals, they don't have no ratings for you, none whatsoever, because there's no way you could rate a dancehall entertainer and you'll do something such as this to them, because these individuals, they are not actually your friend. They're just around you for what you can supply them with, whether money or whatever financial gain they can gain from you in order to sustain their own life. You can't use money and buy ratings, and that's what I believe most of these upcoming dancehall entertainers, they're doing. They're using their wealth and fame in order to secure them some level of protection within the dancehall space. It does not work like that. Dancehall entertainer earn their respect. You don't have to pay a man for them to feel as if they want to protect you or they want to be around you. Once you see you have to be paying people and constantly providing them with money, is the money they're after. They're not really there for you. They're not really a part of your team. And Silk Boss really got himself in some real serious problem. The entertainer could have lost his life. When you look on these individuals, you see that they were hungry for blood. You look at the dancehall entertainer, you could see that he was actually scared for his life and actually begging these individuals in order to spare him, in order to see another day. Some people on social media, they're taking the whole entire thing for a gimmick and a joke. This is some really serious situation here. You're talking about somebody's life, you're talking about somebody's well-being and their physical state of mind after this situation transpired. Even though the dancehall entertainer did not really open up about the whole entire thing until the video was actually released. However, he endured this individual. His baby mother was actually assaulted, or the person, Bree, who is actually expecting his child right now. The brother of Bree was actually assaulted according to the entertainer, and he was actually lured to the area by individuals that he called his friends. These are individuals that would have been around him. He could have lost his life. Now he have to bounce back from this, and he have to realize that these individuals weren't his friend, and he have to try and just keep away from the bad man people them around his musical career, because he's trying to secure some level of ratings within this era. Based on what reason, I don't really know what's the reason why he want these individuals in this era to have this level of ratings for him. But it's point blank clear that these individuals, they don't have any ratings for the dancehall entertainer. And based on what transpired in the video, is a luck that this individual is actually alive today. All I can say to these upcoming dancehall entertainer, you can't miss music with the badness. If you're doing badness, you're doing badness. If you're doing music, you're doing music. Just like as I said before, it's very sad to see what transpired to the dancehall entertainer, and I'm just hoping for the best and hope that he does bounce back from this, because this is gonna have some sort of psychological trauma on the dancehall entertainer. Even though he states that he doesn't feel hurt about the whole entire situation, but we have to be realistic about this. No one wants to see themselves being boxed up, and this is all over social media. You can't tell me that this don't have some level of repercussion for you as a dancehall entertainer. And you have to look into yourself and realize that you are one dancehall star yourself. You have to portray yourself as a star. You can't be mixing up with certain things. You can't be mixing up with certain level of people. This artist right now, he needs to get some property security measure in place for his musical career, instead of these guys that are from these garrison communities. He have to get some proper security, paid security, who know that they're actually protecting the artist's life. They're not here to basically be living off the entertainer money. So when we look at what transpired here, this was a clear state of bad mind. And when we talk about bad mind, we have seen bad mind and how this negatively impact the music itself. We have seen how individuals have rise to the top of the dancehall music space, and they have fall to the ground But all I can say that Silk Boss is very lucky to be alive right now, and he really need to look in his musical career and think about how he plans to turn his life around, because the level of things that took place in this video, this could have escalated more significantly and this artist could have lost his life. So he needs to recalibrate himself, put out some music, and just try to keep himself to himself and don't try to mix up with these individuals no more. As I can say, all I can say, I can just wish the artist the best. At the end of the day, is up to him whether or not he still want to be friends with these individuals. But all I can say, he's very lucky to be alive, and he should thank God that these individuals only had robbed him. He could have lost his life. You can just drop it in the comment section down. Let me know how you feel about this story. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.